The DoorDash Dasher app depends entirely on accurate location data to function properly. Without precise location tracking, the app cannot assign orders or track deliveries effectively. DoorDash uses a sophisticated combination of three location technologies. GPS satellites provide the primary positioning, Wi Fi networks offer additional accuracy in urban areas, and cellular towers help triangulate your exact position. Despite this advanced technology, several common issues can disrupt location accuracy. GPS drift occurs when signals bounce off buildings in urban areas. Location lag happens when switching between delivery zones. Background app refresh conflicts can interrupt continuous location tracking. For the Dasher app to work properly, you must grant specific location permissions. Precise location allows the app to determine your exact position within a few meters. Location services, always on, ensures the app can track your location even when running in the background. Mock locations are a developer feature that allows apps to simulate fake GPS coordinates. While originally designed for testing, some drivers misuse this to access different delivery zones fraudulently. DoorDash has implemented sophisticated detection methods to prevent this abuse. Understanding these location fundamentals is crucial for successful dashing. The app's sophisticated location tracking system ensures accurate order assignment and delivery tracking, but requires proper permissions and settings to function optimally. When your Dasher app location isn't updating properly, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue quickly and get back to delivering. Next, perform app-specific troubleshooting. Force close and restart the Dasher app, then clear the app's cache and data on Android or offload the app on iOS devices. Address network connectivity issues by switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data, resetting network settings, and ensuring you have a strong signal in your delivery area. Battery optimization settings can interfere with location tracking. Disable battery optimization specifically for the Dasher app and turn off power-saving modes while dashing. Finally, verify you're within an active delivery zone and that your account is approved for that specific market. Check for any temporary zone suspensions or recent policy violations that might affect your zone access. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves most Dasher app location issues. Start with GPS calibration, work through app and network fixes, adjust battery settings, and verify your delivery zone access.